to my YouTube channel. For those that are new here, welcome. What's good? It's your girl Devon. I'm back with a makeup tutorial. I have been going for like 8 months, I believe, and it's been a long 8 months. I'm finally back with another video. I recorded this makeup video. I really just wanted to like sit and just do like this super like glam, like colorful looks. I hardly ever do colorful looks, so I really just wanted to get into my little Morphe 35B palette and make some magic happen. I'm so glad to be posting these videos. I got a lot of videos planned coming for you guys, so if you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any uploads. For those of you that have been subscribed to me, I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking in there with me. But I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I am going to get into this tutorial. So if you want to see how I created this bomb colorful look, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, so to get started, I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer to clean up my brows and prime my eyelids. I believe this is in the color number 3, but I'm just going to blend this all over my entire eyelid, and I'm not going to set my concealer. So next I'm going to dip into my Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to take this yellow shade, pack it all into my crease, and blend it out lightly. I've been trying this new technique where you do your eyeshadow primer but you don't set it. I really love how this looks because it makes your shadows really pigmented and really vibrant. So I've been loving this look a lot lately. So now I'm going to take this hot pink shade and I'm just going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to pack it into my crease and blend it out. So now I'm going to take this purple shade and I'm just going to blend this in my outer corner and into my creases a little bit. I was having trouble with this purple shade because every time I packed it on and then tried to blend it out, some of the shadow would like fade away. So I was having a time with that, but I'm basically just trying to pack that color up just to get it a little bit more pigmented. Now, I wasn't worrying about it too much because I am going to do like a half cut crease, so I'll be covering up half of it. So I just packed on as much as I could. So now I'm just going to do a half cut crease. To cut my crease, I'm going to be using, well, I am using the Urban Decay Primer in Eden. Well, it is called Eden. And I'm just making sure that it is blended out and that it's smooth. And then I'm going to just pack more of that purple shade on the outer corner. And then next we're going to take that same hot pink shade. I'm just going to place that in the center of the lid. And then I'm going to take this like shimmery pink shade and I'm just going to place that on the inner corner of the lid. So I already put my lashes on, and the lashes that I'm wearing are Lilly lashes and they are in the style Miami. But now I'm just going to prime my face with my MAC Strobe Cream, and this is in the color Gold Light. And I'm just going to blend that all into my skin. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Nars Radiant Longwear. I am in the color Tahoe. I'm just going to dot this all over my face and blend it out. I already blended it out just a little bit because it took forever, but I like to go in with my beauty blender as well, just to make sure that it is all blended in and that it is seamless. Now for highlight, I love this concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the color Golden, and I just love the coverage. The only bad thing about this concealer is it does not last long at all. So I'm going to let my concealer sit for a little bit, and I'm going to contour with my Hourglass foundation stick. I forgot the name of the shade, but I'll have it listed down below. But I'm just going to contour, and I love the color of this. I love a really bronze look, so I'm just going to blend this out with this brush that I have. I think I got this brush from like Loud Cosmetics or something like that, but I've had it for a long time. And it's broken as well, so gotta do what I gotta do. I'm just gonna blend that out. And I'm also going to do around my forehead as well. I also did my contour in my jawline as well, but I did not add it in. But now I'm going to take my Real Technique sponge and I'm just going to blend out my concealer. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Stay Something. I forgot the name of it. I think it's a Shine Free Loose Powder in the color Light, and I'm just going to use that to set my concealer in some of my face. And then to set my contour, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Bronzer in the color Mahogany. It is the darkest shade. It's a little bit too dark for me, but I just use it really lightly, but I really love that it gives me like a contour look, so I like to set my cream with that. And now to set the rest of my face, I am going to be using my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Tan. I really hope Sephora brings these back because I am like down to the silver pan and I need more. But I am going to put a little bit of blush on. This is Becca blush in the color Flowerchild. And I did add some of that Maybelline loose powder just to kind of cut out my contour. And I'm just going to blend this blush out. It's a really nice like subtle pink. And then for my eyes, to finish off my eyes, I'm going to take this teal shade and I'm just going to blend that underneath my lash line. And I just love this color. It just made the whole entire look like pop, and it's pop. I love it. So I dusted away that powder. Now I'm going to set my face with the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. I'm going to use my MAC. This is a MAC highlighter in the color Global Glow. And I'm just going to put that on before the setting spray dries just so that it can be a little bit more pigmented. Yeah, so my boyfriend is a clown. I thought that I was recording when I was putting the glitter in my inner corner, but I added some blue and pink glitter from Sephora, and I just put that into my inner corner like tear duct. And for my lips, I'm going to use the NYX liner in the color brown. This is a soft matte cream in the color Abu Dhabi. And then to top it off, I'm going to be using my Fenty Gloss Bomb. But basically, that's the entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one, and I will see you all later. Bye.